Hello, good morning. This is Mix Jose again with another video. This time, I want to talk to you about how to start a Usana business. Dito ko ikikwento sa inyo lahat ng enrollment packs at ano ba yung proseso para makapagsimula sa isang Usana business. Ngayon, alam nyo napakasimple lang eh. Sa Usana, wala tayong registration fee. Okay, sa ibang company, you have to pay 15,000. Yung 5,000 doon, 1,500 na punta doon sa nag-recruit sa'yo, 3,500 na punta sa company. Dito sa sana walang registration. 100% just purchase products that you want. Ito gusto ko, ito gusto ko, ito gusto ko, o distributor ka na nun. Okay? Plus purchase a starter kit, 990 pesos. Andyan na lahat, product manual, resibo, flyers. Okay, it's just products in a starter kit and you're already a distributor of Usana. Ang pinakagusto ko dito, you can choose the products that fit you the most. Although, kapag kinuha mo yung package, mas malaki yung discount. This is all inclusive of initial auto-order reward, online account. You have 3 business centers. You can do business in 19 and more markets. You have marketing tools, free training, and you have the compensation plan which I discussed earlier. You can take advantage of it. Okay? And ang pinakagusto ko dito, wala tong direct referral fee. Ibig sabihin, walang income yung nagpasok sa iyo dito. Bibili ka lang talaga ng products. Ngayon, let's talk about typical businesses. If you want to start a Jollibee business, it will range, depende sa laki ng Jollibee store na gusto mong itayo, but it's somewhere around 20 million to 50 million. Ang average income ng isang Jollibee franchise is usually around 400,000 a month. Ang ROI nito is within 7 to 8 years. Okay? So, ayan ang typical investment sa isang malaking negosyo kung gusto mong kumita ng 400,000 a month. Sa typical franchise like Master Shomai or yung mga food cart, you'd have to shell out 200 to 300,000, which, yes, you will get 30,000 a month as net profit. Minsan mas maliit pa. Okay, sa katulad ng mga business ko, like cheap business, 400,000 ang linabas ko doon. But I'm only earning 12,000 a month. So water station ko or tubigan na ini-start ko, which roughly around 400 to 500,000 ang linabas, 11,000 lang ang kita kada buwan. Now, you might be wondering, I want to start a Usana business, but how much do I have to shell out? First, I want to talk to you about business centers. Ito yung tindahan mo. When you do a Usana business, you always have two choices. When you start a Usana business, it's either you go with the 1 business center or the 3 business center. Para sa akin, kung tatanungin mo ko, Sir Mix, which one is better? It depends on what you want. If you just want to use the products, I would highly recommend that you go with 1 business center. Maliit yung income, pero maliit lang din yung labas ng pera. If you're into business and you want to have serious money, I would highly suggest that you go with the 3 business center. Ito yung kinuha ko. And actually, most of us, even when I was 21 years old and I started with Usana, I picked itong 3 business center kasi hindi naman ganun kalayo ang diferensya ng ilalabas na pera. Sa 3 business centers or yung tinatawag natin na the professional pack. Marami ng products yan. Pero if you want to start a 3 business center, ang maganda dito, I'll show you all the values, okay, ng isang 3 business center account. Ngayon, this is a total value of 95,000 pesos. Bakit, Sir Mix? Meron siyang 2BC, free auto order, products worth 44,000, 10 months worth of DLM access, which is your personal assistant. You have already a commission that's going into your bank from the Bank of America. And so that makes the total value of 95,000. Ngayon, ang tanong, Sir Mix, kung 95,000 ang total value niyan, how much do I have to shell out? Alam nyo, ang pinakamaganda sa Usana, you only have to shell out 40,490 pesos. Alam nyo nakakatawa dito, 40,490 para ka lang bumili ng cellphone. If you remember earlier, I showed you all the different types of investments that you can start. Ang laki ng kailangang ilabas na pera. Sa Usana, you can start a business with as low as 40,490 pesos. And of course, pag binenta mo yan, you'll have a profit of 16,000. Amazing nga ito, alam nyo. I've started a lot of business, but I've never seen a business na 40,490 lang. Pero I'll have to be honest with you, when I saw this, itong 40,490, I had no idea how to produce that money because I was 21 years old. Where can a 21-year-old get 40,490 pesos? Pero sabi nga nila, kapag gusto ng tao, merong paraan. By the way, if you convert this into dollars, it's just somewhere around $800. Okay, para sa mga kaibigan ko na nasa ibang bansa or mga kapwa kong seaman, maliit lang. Alam nyo, sa akin I'd have to be honest with you, ang daming lumabas na 40,490 pesos sa bulsa ko na wala naman talagang napuntahan na maganda. Alam mo yun? So, eto, sulit na yan. 40,490. It's sold products as ang daming freebies. But take note, if this is still not practical for you and you think it's too big for you, itong 40,490, you also have another choice. Yung tinatawag natin na One Business Center. It's 300 points worth of products. So, konti lang siya. Ang advantage nito, ang liit lang nang ilalabas mo. It's like 4,890. If you sell it, you'll probably have like 12,000 pesos profit. Okay? So, mas maliit ang labas ng pera, pero alam mo yun, mas maliit din yung income. Again, sa akin, depende po talaga sa inyo yan. No? Sabi ko nga, hindi naman kayo pipilitin dito. Depende talaga. Ako, neutral ako if you ask me kung anong mas maganda. Pero syempre, my personal opinion and my personal choice, I went with the 3 Business Center kasi ang daming free. Ang dami niyang free at the same time, hindi rin naman ganun kalaki yung difference. Alright? Pero I want to show you something. Ang maganda kasi dito sa Usana, alam nyo, pwede mo pa siyang i-credit card. But take note, interest rates may apply depending on the bank policy. Cardholders must call the bank after purchase, posting to request for deferred payment. Pwede nyo itong i-defer. Ayun ang maganda sa Usana. Pwede siyang hindi spot cash. If you have a credit card, oh my God, you're in luck. Kasi pwede mo siyang i-defer payment ng 12 months, 6 months, or even 3 months to pay. Most banks, for 6 months to pay, they have already an agreement with Usana. You can have 0% interest depending if you're a good payer or not. O, di ba? Ang ganda ng Usana. Pwedeng cash, pwedeng credit card. Pero ito lang, I know you might be thinking now, and that's good. Alam ko, pag-iisipan mo yan, you might be more interested in the products, or maybe may interest ka rin sa business. Pero I really want to show you something. Because before, sa akin, when I was 21 years old, a couple of years ago, that's back then, 2011, inisip ko rin talaga to. I was in the position just like you na iniisip ko, will this work out? Will this not work out? Alam mo ginawa ko nun? Sabi ko, I need to think ng maayos. I wanted to put it down on paper. Kasi yes, we can always think, pero alam mo yun, talaga ang ginawa ko, sabi ko, dapat isulat ko to, hindi pwede nasa isip lang eh. What I did, and I'll show you my personal analysis, before I joined Usana, I really thought about it. Ngayon, sabi ko nga, pwede nyo pag-isipan yan, pero you might even not agree with the way I thought about this, pero talagang binusisi ko. Kahit yung iba kong business, when I started, ginawa ko rin to. Napakasimple lang eh. Usana, linagay ko lahat ng positive, linagay ko lahat ng negative. Dali lang. No, sabi ko, kung mas mabigat ang negative, hindi ko to gagawin. Pero if I saw potential in it, sabi ko, sige, ipupush ko. No, so, simple lang, sabi ko nga, linagay ko lahat ng negative sa kanan, linagay ko lahat ng positive. Ngayon, I'll be honest with you, sabi ko, when I started this, katulad nyo rin ako, hindi naman ako kagad, sige, Usana kagad. I really thought about it, but my number one concern is eto. I was afraid I'm not able to sell it. Kasi, take note, sa akin, hindi naman ako talaga madaldal. I'm not a person who's outgoing, na talagang lahat ng tao kinakausap. So, ang iniisip ko nun ako, wala akong experience sa selling. I have no forte in selling. It's not my personality. So, pinakatakot ko talaga, ewan ko nakaka-relate ka sa akin, pero ang kinakatakot ko is maybe I am unable to sell it. So, tinulat ko talaga sa papel, sabi ko, nako, baka hindi ko baka hindi ko 'to mabenta, shucks. Pero I really thought about it. Sabi ko, sige, sa 40,000, ilan ba yung products na yan? I was surprised. It's actually only 18 products. So, 18 produkto. Sabi ko, sige, 18 products. Ngayon, ang ginawa ko, di ba doon sa compensation plan, nakalagay doon, start with family. Sabi ko, sige, in my personal family, yung sa mother ko, father ko, and mga kapatid ko, sabi ko si daddy medyo may high blood, tapos mahilig siya sa sweets. So, kailangan niya ng dalawang product. My mother, malabo ang mata. At the same time, meron siyang high blood din. Kapatid ko, may hormonal imbalance. Tapos, malabo rin ang mata. Sabi ko, sa family pa lang namin, parang siguro mga 5 or 6 na yung magagamit ko eh. Pero sige, sabihin nating 5. And actually, I was also thinking, if I just give 5 products to my family, no talagang ibigay ko ng libre, if I sell all the rest of my products, I'll still have the 40,000 back kasi may tubo yun eh. So sa 18 produkto, ang sabi ko, sige, 5 dyan, ibibigay ko sa pamilya ko. Tapos inisip ko rin sa lahat ng tito at tita ko, nagulat ako, ang dami ko palang tito tita. No, so sabi ko, ang dami sa mother's side, sa father's side. And then linista ko sila lahat and I found out, sabi ko parang ang dami palang may sakit sa amin. Siyempre, if you do a USANA business, iniisip ko, the first people that you wanna help when it comes to health, siyempre, is family. So, ang sabi ko, sa mga relatives ko, sabihin natin, sabi ko, mga 20 kasi yun eh, ng mga tito-tita ko. Pero siyempre, inassume ko rin na hindi naman lahat sila bibili. So, sabi ko, sige, worst case, sabihin natin 10 ang bibili out of 20. Tapos sabi, sige, worst case, sabihin natin 5 or 6. So, ilan na lang yung products na matitira sa akin? There are only 7 products left. So this is my question to myself. I have 7 products that still has no market. Iniisip ko ngayon, sige, ano ba yung expiry nito? Kasi pag inabutan ako ng expiry, then lugi na ako. Diba? So, isa pa yun sa kinakatakot ko lugi. So, eto, tinanong ko dun sa nagpe-present. Excuse me, if I may ask, how long is the expiry date? Ang sabi sa akin, ang expiry ng USANA is 2 years. So, iniisip ko, so let me get this straight. 7 products, ibebenta ko within 2 years. Pag hindi ko nabenta, lugi ako. Pag nabenta ko, balik ang pera ko. Sabi ko, oh my God, kahit wala akong training, as long as siguro naman, grabe, kahit kung gumagalaw naman siguro ako, within 2 years, mabebenta ko to lahat. So sabi ko, ano yung worst case scenario? Let's think about it. Sabi ko, ano yung pinakamasama ng pwedeng mangyari dito? Napakasimple lang. Sabi ko, kung confident ako na within 2 years, mabebenta ko yung 7 piraso, 50% ibenta ko, 50% gamitin ko, balik ang pera ko, at least healthy ako. So I want to ask you, sabi ko, ito sa akin ha, sabi ko kahit walang training, siguro naman yung 7 produkto, papakita ko lang yung video na, siguro yung pinanood sa aking video, papakita ko lang, sabihin ko, ginagamit ni Pacquiao, makakabenta na ako. Because the products are excellent, hindi naman siya hard selling. No, pero sabi ko nga, worst comes to worst, gamitin ko yung kalahati, benta ko yung kalahati. Alam niyo, balik na yung pera ko eh. Pero ayun, actually, yun lang kinakatakot ko noon. Nung sabi ko, baka malugi ako, hindi ko mabenta. Pero I'm really confident na hindi naman ako aabutin ng ganun katagal. I want you to ask yourself, sa tingin mo, ikaw, na nakikinig ngayon, my friend, do you think it will take you 2 years sa 7 piraso? Kung gagalaw ka naman, siguro sa akin, although we don't know each other personally, maybe, or kahit friends tayo, siguro naman, hindi ka naman naabutin ng 2 taon. Sa akin na yung inisip ko. But now, let's start to write something dito sa positive naman. Ano ba yung mga positive na nakikita ko? Alam mo, ito, I'll be honest with you. Kung walang training sa USANA, I wouldn't join because I have no idea. Wala akong talent sa pagbebenta. I haven't sold anything. Kahit sa family namin, wala naman salesman eh. Okay, pero nung narinig ko na may training, sabi ko, oo nga no, kaya naman itong tutunan eh. Yung pagbabarko nga, natutunan ko ang hirap-hirap. When we spend so many months away from the Philippines, kinaya ko. Sabi ko, may training naman. So, ituturo talaga lahat ng aspekto. Sabi ko, ano ba yung mga topics ng training? Sabi nila, improving selling. Sabi ko, uy, ayos, gagaling ako magbenta. How to find market. So, kung wala kang connections, how to find your cold market. Ibig sabihin, these are the people that you don't know personally. You can tap them. There's like 100 million sa Pilipinas na tao na hindi natin kakilala. USANA will teach you how to talk talk to them. Product literature, product knowledge. Sabi ko, lahat ng training dito pala provided. So, maganda. Kasi sa akin na walang alam, this is an advantage for me. Sabi nga nila, meron akong nabasang libro doon sa academy when I was studying the military academy before. Ang sabi nila, you do not need to be great to start. You need to start to be great. Sabi ko, oo nga, no. Wala naman nagsisimulang magaling kagad. And it's because of training that people like yung security guard, yung pilay, yung bulag dito is doing really well in USANA. Paano nila nagawa yun? Kasi may training. Okay, so that's one positive. Sabi ko, oo. Sabi ko, eventually naman siguro, magbi-business din ako kasi hindi naman ako pwedeng habang buhay empleyado. Ang maganda dito, I can get the free trainings. Mapapakinabangan ko na. That's one positive na nakita ko. When I was deciding, sabi ko, magagamit ko yung mga trainings nito. Worst comes to worst, kung maubos ko yung product ko, mabili ko na yung puhunan ko. Mapapakinabangan ko lahat ng trainings na ibibigay nila. Tapos isa pa, sabi ko, okay, so kung may training na, kumusta ba yung product? Inisip ko yung ganda-ganda ng product, tapos 16 pesos lang isang tableta. Pwede ko pang i-repack yan. So sabi, kumbaga may tingi, meron nga rin yung mini essentials, 'di ba? Sa amin, sa mga sinusupplyan namin ngayon, meron kaming clinic na binabagsakan ng product. It's amazing kasi nakakabili din mga tricycle driver. 'Di ba? Kasi tinitingi. So iniisip ko na, okay, so kahit mayaman ang market ko, sabi, alam niyo sa Siman, ang bilis-bilis lang ng 3,600, $80, $90. So pakyaw talaga to sa barko eh. Pero iniisip ko, doon sa mga tao na sabihin natin yung normal average employee, sabi, pwede ko namang hindi ibigla na ganun kagad kadami. So sabi ko 16 pesos per tablet. Ano lang, mura-mura. Tapos 5 gold stars pa siya. Sabi, kung gamit na toothpick ang ibebenta ko, mahihirapan ako. Pero I really thought about it. These products are excellent. Papakita ko lang yung Nutri-Search, comparative guide eh. Yung 5 gold stars, papakita ko lang yun, yung Nutri-Search. Sabi ko, ito lang, may pruweba na ako. Diba, hindi siya ganun ka-hard selling. Tapos, ang pinaka gusto ko dito, may training na, may personal coach pa. Although, I'll have to be honest with you, sa akin, when my upline introduced to me USANA, he actually left immediately papunta sa barko. Pero alam nyo, the corporate training was actually enough. Kinaya ko na eh. Okay? Pero alam nyo, ang good news dito, if you want to do USANA, sabi nga, depende sa iyo yan. You might not see yourself doing business, pero the moment you say, yes, I'm interested in business, I will be your personal coach. Okay? I will teach you everything I know. We will do it step by step. I will guide you step by step. Okay? So, tulungan tayo dito. I'll be the one who's gonna personally be mentoring you. Or if not me, kung napanood mo to, not because of me, maybe a friend or the USANA distributor is showing you this business, he or she will be your coach. Gagabayan ka niyan. And of course, if you see me in the USANA office, you know my name, you've seen my face siguro when we started the video, you can always approach me. Isang team lang naman tayo. Walang problema yan. I can teach you all you need to know. So, alam nyo maganda dito, I'm also a trainer. Okay, so nagsasalita na ako sa stage. I teach people, hundreds of people sa AIM, sa private trainings, even online trainings. I do coaching as well. Okay? So, tuturo ko sa iyo, huwag kang mag-alala, hindi mo ito gagawin mag-isa. Pero isang pinaka-positive na nakita ko dito is oras. Alam niyo guys, sa amin mga seaman, we don't have time. Wala kaming time sa family. Alam mo yun, ang ayoko talaga na lumaki na alam mo yun, tatay lang ako sa litrato. And we spend so much time on board. Tapos pag uuwi pa kami, nagtitraining kami. So it's not really, yes, we're happy. Alam mo yun, masaya kami na nakakapagbigay kami ng blessing sa family namin. Pero we miss all the important events sa buhay. Wala kami sa birthday, wala kami sa graduation. Nandito nga kami sa Pilipinas, sa 2 buwan na nandito kami, kalahati doon training pa. So matitirang kalahati, tulog pa kami. Tapos mga anak namin nasa school pa, makikita lang namin sa gabi nag-a-assignment pa sila. So the main reason ba't ko to ginawa, it's because of time. Ayoko na, alam mo yun, to do the things na talagang mas importante sa buhay. That's what I want to do. Like family. Alam nyo, this is a question that I want to ask you to ask yourself. Oras, what would you do with your time if money is not an issue? Anong gagawin mo sa oras mo? Siguro yung iba sa inyo, you've been working really hard. Tapos alam mo yon, wala nang time talaga sa family kasi natatrap tayo sa trabaho natin. Ang daming utos ng boss and then you have overtime. Sa amin, mas malala pa. If people here in the Philippines do not have enough time for their family because they have overtime, basically they have so much work. Paano pa kaya kami sa barko, di ba? Alam nyo, the reason why I did Usana, iniisip ko, if this works out, I'll have all the time in the world. And I am telling you, promise, right now we Ruby directors are earning 400 to 500,000 a month. I can basically do whatever I want. Gusto ko matulog, okay na. My leaders are very good in Usana already. Before 2011, iniisip ko, that's the vision. Ayun yung vision. Na eventually, gagawin ko lang tong part-time, paunti-unti lang. Alam mo yun, sakripisyo muna sa umpisa. Imbis na magdodota, maglalaro, papasyal, sabi ko, sige, bibigyan ko tong oras. Sige, sacrifice muna. Pero kasi sabi ko, temporary sacrifice lang naman sa time. My wish, my wish for you is that you enjoy all the time, alam mo, sa buhay na sana you spend more time sa family mo. Sana you spend doing your passion. No, kung gusto mo you enjoy doing your work. Sana alam mo 'yon na hindi ka na magtrabaho because it's necessary, because kailangan siya. You just work because you want to. Alam mo yun, yung time freedom. Ayun yung pinaglalaban natin actually sa Usana. Ang isang positive na nakita ko is we're here in the health industry, sa health business. Napakadakila ng business na to. Kasi syempre, ang kausap mo dito is tao na may, alam mo yun, na gusto ma-improve ang health niya, or people who have terrible sicknesses. I have business partners who were diagnosed with cancer. Mga tao na 50-50 mamamatay na. Pero alam mo, because of Usana, I'm not saying pinagaling sila noon, pero it gave them so much improvement sa health nila. Nakatulong talaga sa health nila, and now they're leading healthy lives. Ang sarap ng feeling na nakakatulong ka sa ibang tao, lalo pagdating sa katawan nila. It's such a great feeling. Lalo, alam nyo ito, sabi ko nga, we're just imparting the good news of Usana when it comes to health. You're offering the best supplements, sabi ko. And that's a good advocacy. Sa aming mga seaman, no, sa stress sa trabaho, siguro sa trabaho mo rin ganun. Pero sa stress sa trabaho, sa klase ng pagkain, kailangan talaga namin ng para sa health. And especially nowadays, health is becoming a trend. If you're healthy, if you're a health buff, you're basically cool. Okay, so isa yun sa nakita ko, sabi, ayos pala, kasi at least yung business ko, it's helping other people, no? And isa pang positive na nakita ko is in 20 to 30% lifetime discount. Sabi ko, if worst comes to worst, kung hindi ko man ito mabenta, gamitin ko yung kalahati, benta ko yung kalahati, okay na ako eh. Hindi, at least may 30% discount ako. 20, 30 years from now, if I'm still using the products, at least I will enjoy all the discount forever. Mahilig pa naman ako sa sale. No, so sabi ko, kung habang buhay na sale to, dun pa lang panalo na ako eh. Another positive thing about this na nakita ko yung website. Upon starting Usana, I learned back then, noong 2011, sabi ko, aba, magkaka-website pala ako dito, so pwede ko edit yung pangalan, like mixosaid.usana.com. Tapos, ang malupit doon, because of this website, sabi ko, aba, international na yung business ko. I can have customers from Singapore right now. Alam nyo, fast forward tayo ilang years. I have customers from Singapore. Meron ako sa US, I have also in Canada, meron ako sa South America, meron ako sa UK. Sabi ko, ang galing. This business is working all around the world. So, kung may website ako, ibig sabihin, di ba, ang lupit kasi magagawa ko yung business kahit saan. Tapos yung kind of market na meron ako. Unang-una, guys, iba-iba tayong market. When I was 21 years old, ang market ko puro estudyante para was able to do it well. Okay, ngayon, fast forward ng ilang years, seaman ako, ang market ko kaya pa din. Okay, so I've been in a market wherein puro estudyante lang ang kakilala ko, and I've been also in a time na puro may pera na yung kakilala ko. Alam mo, ang galing. May pera man or wala, sa market na meron ako, sabi ko, ang galing kasi 16 pesos lang yung tabletas eh. Kung mayaman yung market ko, I can sell it in bulk. Kung medyo mahirap yung market ko, I can sell it ng tingi-tingi. Tapos alam nyo, maganda dito, there are two types of market. Ang isa na naintindihan ko sa Usana, sabi ko, aba, meron silang warm market training and cold market training. Ibig sabihin, they will teach you how to talk to people you know, and they will also teach you how to talk to people that you don't personally know. Okay? So, tutuloy ko. Sorry, bigla nawala yung PowerPoint. Pero ito yan. Isa pa sa pinakagusto ko yung very low capital and easy start. Ang bilis lang magsimula sa'yo sana. Easy start to eh. Kasi sa ibang negosyo, you'll have to alam mo yun, ang daming papeles, ang dami mo pang kailangan gawin. One very good thing about Yusan is ang dali mag-start. Labas ka lang pera, start ka na. Oh, it is very low capital. Ang 40,000 napakaliit niyan. Tama kung sa business kung gastos malaki yan. Pero sa business, ang liit-liit ng 40,000. I don't see any business that can earn up to 1,000,000 pesos sa 40,000 na puhunan. State-of-the-art manufacturing na ginagawa ng Yusana para sa lahat ng products natin. You know what? Actually, it's not me who's working for Yusana. Yusana is actually working for me. Okay, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Sila na ang gumagawa. At least hindi na tayo mag-iisip ng product development. Tapos alam mo yun, I have the backup of 900 plus elite athletes. These people have all their trust in Yusana and ang puhunan nila is katawan nila. Okay? And of course, dreams. Alam mo yon, mga dreams na pinatay na, na because of circumstance, we lost all of our dreams. Pero nakita ko yung sana, you know, what's positive about this is, alam mo, na, parang nabuhayan akong loob. Sabi ko yung mga pangarap ko, feeling ko mas magiging kaya because of these. And of course, travel. We've been so, ang dami na namin napuntahan. Sabi ko noon, alam mo, ang isang positive pala sa sana, no? Baka pala makapag-travel kami, kung pupunta lang kami sa mga cruise, ganyan-ganyan, ang mahal-mahal na. Tapos, makukuha ko sa Yusana yun ng libre. Fast forward a couple of years, alam niyo, dami namin napuntaan travel dito. It's one of the really amazing things about Yusana because they don't save money when it comes to traveling. They just give it to you all for free. Tapos alam mo isang positive dito is the team. The team is gonna help you out. It's not only me who's gonna help you do this business. The whole team of Extreme 111. We will do our best to help you out in starting your business and making it grow. Basta alam mo, inisip ko noon, pag naging okay itong yung sana business ko, oh, bibili akong bahay. 'Di ba? Ilang stories. Imagine mo, ilang story ang bahay na yan. It's all possible with you sana, sabi ko. Kaya kasi ko sa Diamond Director, 1,000,000 a month. Ano itsura ng bahay mo nun? Sabi ko nga, I'll just save 12 months. Meron akong 12 million worth na bahay. So sabi ko, that's definitely a goal worth achieving. Sabi ko, tapos ang gusto ko pa dito, no commitment business siya. Ibig sabihin, alam mo yun, kung ayaw ko siyang gawin, sumakay muna ako, tapos bumaba ako. Pwede. Alam nyo, I started 2011. I was actually not able to sell 2012, 2013, 2014 because I was focused more on my career as a seafarer. Pero I started 2014 and decided to do the business again. And it's really amazing. Alam mo sa tubigan, hindi pwede yun. If I stop operating sa tubig, mabubulok yung equipment ko eh. I cannot just say na, oh, tama na, I have rent, yung pwesto na yun, rinerenta ko. Hindi naman ako babayad ng renta doon tapos hindi tumatakbo yung ano, di ba? No commitment business to. If you sell everything, the money is back in your pocket. Edi kung ayaw mo na, edi wag na. Tapos yung OPEX niya halos wala. That's really amazing. Pagkain lang, wala akong kuryenteng binabayaran. Wala akong tubig na binabayaran. Wala akong driver na pinapasweldo. Diba? And I can do it anywhere. Alam nyo, ang dami sana. Ito, kung nasa Pilipinas ka, ang galing. Kasi talagang kahit saan ka sa Pilipinas, magagawa mo siya. Pero alam mo, sa aming mga seaman, kahit nasa barko, ang dami kayong kumikita sa sana. We can do it basically even in the middle of the sea. Kasi meron ng internet sa barko ngayon. So you can do it anywhere. Pero ito, sabi ko, napakadaming positive eh. Magiging healthy ako, training libre, tapos pag naging diamond ako, sabi ko, bibili akong sports car, bibili akong magandang bahay. So, ang dami is education sa family, of course. Basically, we're doing this, I'm sure you're gonna agree with me. It's not really about the money, but also about the sharing to our family. Alam mo, naisip ko nga noon, sabi ko, kung ako lang mag-isa, no, simple lang naman akong tao, simple lang naman pangarap ko, sabi ko, kung makuha ko yun, okay na. Pero then I realized, puwedeng ako okay na pero magkakaroon ako ng asawa, magkakaroon ako ng mga anak, magkakaroon ako ng malaking responsibilidad. Kung mag-isa lang ako, okay lang na maliit ang income ko pero as a father or as a parent, alam mo yan, iniisip ko, I need to do my best because then, if I'm okay already, then it's time to think about other people to make them okay as well. Ayan ang maganda sa'yo sana, it's about family, tulong sa pamilya, tapos na sa sarili mo, tapos na rin sa pamilya. It's time to give the blessings to others. Pero ito, ang dami ko nasulat talaga sa positive. Meron din naman ako sinulat sa negative kasi one problem, and I'll be honest with you, one big problem with me is that I had no money. Wala akong pera eh. When I started Usana, sabi ko, okay, saan ako kukuha ng pera? Paano gagawin ko? Pero alam nyo, ito yan ha, nung nakita ko Usana, apat kami nakakita. Ako, dalawang mga 20, isang 25 at saka isang 30 years old. Tapos parang isang nasa 40, bank manager siya. Yung dalawa pang kasama ko is seaman. I was 21 years old back then, tapos wala akong pera. Sabi ko, buti pa itong mga to may trabaho. At least sila, they can start the business. Alam nyo, what's really unfortunate sa akin nun, sabi ko, buti sila may trabaho. Ako hindi ko masimulan kasi wala akong trabaho eh. Wala naman akong ipon. Ang dami ko pang trainings. So I asked them, sabi ko, sir, nagustuhan nyo? They actually liked it very much. Pero sabi ko, buti pa kayo makapag-start kayo kasi may trabaho. You know, to my surprise, all three of them also don't have money. So parang doon ako nagkaroon ng realization. Hindi ko pwedeng gawing excuse na wala akong trabaho, kaya wala akong pera. Kasi even yung nagtatrabaho ng 5 years, 10 years, 20 years na sa trabaho. Wala pa rin pera. Kahit ngayon dalawang seaman na kasama ko, grabe wala din pera. But I would understand, sabi kasi nila sa akin, alam mo naman, ang dami ko nang binabayaran, ganyan, 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 ganyan. So, doon ko na-realize na even pala sumasakay ako, there will always still be a time na may problema ako sa pera. Then, my mind shifted. Nung iniisip ko na hindi ako mag-start, sabi ko, ay, mas kailangan kong mag-start. Kasi nga, ito, it's not a problem to money, it's a solution to money. Ginawan ko talaga ng paraan to. I kwento ko kay Fudge, pinagalitan ako actually. Eh sabi niya, ano naman yan, magbebenta ka ng gamot. Yes, I understood her. Naintindihan ko siya kasi syempre, sabi ko nga hindi niya naman nakita kung ano nakita ko. To you as well, I'd ask this question. If 1 month ago, sinabi ko sa'yo magbenta tayo ng gamot, yaman tayo dito, and you're not able to see the presentation, I'm sure you also won't decide to do the business. Tama? So sabi ko, okay, wala akong pera, pero karamihan na sana, nag-interview kasi ako noon, right after the presentation, interview ko mga tao, alam mo, halos lahat dun, nung nakita nyo sana walang pera. Pero ngayon, sabi ko, ano yayaman na nila. Kasi napakasimple lang sa buhay. It's not actually the intelligent people who succeed. It's the people who are very, very crafty, imaginative, creative, yung mga taong madiskarte. Hindi yung matalino yung mayaman, yung madiskarte. Sabi ko, gaya kong gawa ng paraan to. Kasi parang simple lang, ganito eh. Ito yung analogy na iniisip ko noon. Kung bibigyan ako ng sports car, nasabi natin worth 2 million, na 2 million yung sports car. Tapos sinabi sa akin, sale siya. Sale siya 40,000 lang. 40,000 lang, may sports car na ako. All in na yun, 40,000. But I have to produce the money kinabukasan. Sabi ko, syempre, gagawan ko ng paraan. I'd like to ask you the same question. Kung ngayon, yung sports car na meron ako, i-offer ko sa'yo na 40,000, will you buy it? Diba? Will you make a way? Gagawa mo bang paraan? Diba? So sabi ko kung gusto may paraan. So money, sabi ko kahit wala akong pera, it's not a reason for me not to start. So nagawa ko ng pera. Ng paraan yung pera. Tapos itong no time, inisip ko rin kasi nagte-training ako eh. No, sabi ko wala akong oras. Pero doon ko na-realize, alam nyo, na pwede pala itong part-time. Dahan-dahan, gradual lang eh. Some people just do it 1 hour, 2 hours every other day and then lead up to hanggang umabot ng gold, hanggang umabot ng ruby. Syempre, if you're a ruby director, you're earning $500,000 a month. Most of them just give more time to you sana and hindi na sila masyadong nagwo-work, ano. So sabi ko, okay, kahit ang maganda pala dito, at least kahit wala akong oras, pwede ko siyang isingit sa lunch break. Pwede ko siyang isingit kasi pwede rin naman siyang online. And pero ito nga, sabi ko, kwento ko to kay Fudge. I wanted to ask my partner first. Sabi ko, before I start kaya, kwento ko kay Fudge. And that's exactly what I did. Pero alam nyo naman, syempre, lalo mga wife, no, mga wife natin, minsan talagang mabusisi sila pagdating lalo sa pera. Eh, hindi naman niya naintindihan kung ano yung Usana. So, sabi ko, I cannot base my decision on somebody who doesn't know about the business. Di ba? Parang kung hindi niya naman nakita, paano siya makapagbigay na mas maayos na input? Para ganito, I want to ask you, kung napanood mo na yung Inside Out, no? Tatanungin kita, kung hindi mo pala napanood, kung hindi mo siya napanood, tatanungin kita, maganda ba yung Inside Out? Most probably sabihin mo hindi. Hindi mo alam kasi hindi mo pa napanood. Pero kung napanood mo, di ba? Edi, makakapagbigay ka na magandang informasyon. Ganun din sa Usana. Okay? Pero inisip ko rin, hindi ko to linya. Pero then, alam mo yan, I realized na ang pagbabarko, hindi ko rin naman linya. Praktikalan lang kasi may pera dun eh. Sabi ko praktikal ako, edi dun ako sa barko. Eto hindi ko rin linya kasi na-imagine ko nun, wala nga namang BS USANA. Wala namang Bachelor of Science in USANA. So naisip ko, kahit hindi ko to linya, kaya kong gawa ng paraan to. Matututunan naman lahat. Sabi nga nila, kung may gusto, merong paraan. Sabi ko nun, wala rin ako connections kasi bata ako, 21 years old. Pero what's really amazing about USANA is meron siyang training. Tinuturo naman siya lahat kung paano magkakaroon ng connections outside of your warm market into the cold market. 'Di ba? Ito yung picture ko before when I was a seafarer, pero more on to that later. Dito tayo, balik tayo. So kita nyo, sabi ko, kaya ko naman to dito tayo sa negative. Sabi ko, kaya ko ibenta within 2 years. If I have no money, always magagawa kong paraan yan. Kung wala akong time, ang sabi ko, pwede naman tong part-time, start lang ako gradual. Sabi ko, parang kung tatanong ko pa sa partner ko, malamang negative yung sasabihin niya. Sabi ko, I know what I saw. I am an adult. I have my own decision. Sabi ko, I'll just do this. Even if kung hindi niya kung hindi siya agree. Hindi ko rin tuloy niya, pero sabi ko, kaya ko siyang linyahin kung makukuha ko naman yung mga pangarap ko. And sabi ko, dahil sa training, sa tingin ko naman, kahit 21 years old ako, wala akong connection, magagawa ko pa rin. Alam nyo, kung sa inyo may pera kayo, may time kayo, or may connection kayo, okay, may supportive partner kayo, mas madali talaga mag-start. Pero alam nyo, ito lang ang matitip ko sa inyo, kung may training naman, tapos ang mura ng products, 5 gold pa. And then you have a coach to help you. Tapos all the time na may enjoy natin because naging okay yung Usana business natin and all the health. Tapos yung discount, you'll have your own website, your own, alam mo, ituturo sa'yo how you can expand to your market. Easy start pa yung business mo. Very low capital, state-of-the-art manufacturing. 900 plus elite athletes using it. Makuha natin yung mga pangarap natin. Travels, the team, house, no commitment, no OPEX. You can do it anywhere. Tapos halos walang negative. I really suggest that you start. No, if you're interested in business, I really suggest na sana masimulan mo. Because this has been a great blessing for me. Okay, this was me before. Ayan, lumalabas ako ng Pilipinas for work. Ang kasama ko sa travel is ito si Chiefmate Diasis. Magkasama kami noon, palabas-labas lang kami because of work din yan. Lalabas na kami 3 oras, tapos babalik kami sa barko. Pero because of you sana, I can travel with this woman. Okay, the love of my life, si Fudge. Na alam mo yon, nakakapasyal kami. This was actually in Cairns, Australia. Nagsumakay kami ng cable car, 2 oras yan. Across mountains. So talaga nakakatakot siya, nagsisigawan kami sa loob. Alam mo yon, tapos, punta kami dito sa Sydney, sa Opera House. She was able to partake and dance, actually, with the kangaroo. Go into structural wonders sa Australia. Punta kami dyan sa mga chapel dyan. And ang pinakamasaya doon yung skydiving. Alam niyo, kung di ko to ginawa, malamang nandun pa rin ako sa barko. Hawak-hawak ko yung binoculars ko, yung telescope ko. Tapos tumitingin ako ng mga barko. Sabi ko, grabe, sarap mag-skydive. Tapos napunta pa kami sa Maldives, travel because of Usana. It's all free, by the way. Grabe yan, paraiso dyan. This is how Maldives looks like. Dito nag-honeymoon ang mga Hollywood stars, and it was given to us for free. Punta kami ng Singapore together with the team. Libo-libo kaming tao dyan sa Singapore. Actually, even Australia, Shangri-La kami doon. Libre lahat, buffet lahat. No, dito rin sa Universal Studio, dami namin, we actually attended a convention. Tapos alam mo yun yung crazy crazy things. Ang dami ko ng bucket list na nagawa dahil dito. But one thing in particular na pinaka nag-enjoy ako kasi sabi ko napaka-crazy doon sa bucket list ko. Sabi ko before I die, I need to be able to fly a plane. Napaka-amazing because it came true. Because of you sana. I flew a plane. Ang galing. Kaming dalawa ni Fudge. Okay, tapos sa you sana, daming recognition. This was me back then when I was a gold director together with Fudge. Inawardan kami sa Asia Pacific Convention at Singapore representing the Philippines. Ay, sabi ko sa inyo, if you want recognition, USANA gives a lot of recognition. This is another of our recognition. Samoa naman sa Pilipinas. Dami na namin daming beses nakaakyat sa stage, alam mo yun, ma-realize na lahat ng pinaghirapan mo in front of 10,000 people, recognizing all your efforts and all your hard work and getting inspired with the kind of achievement that you get. 'Di ba? Tapos syempre, yung isa sa pinakapangarap ko na nagkatotoo dito, this was me signing the deed of sale sa aking dream car. Yay, grabe. A Toyota GT86. My very own, our very own sports car. Sabi ko noon, when I become a captain, I'll buy this, bibili ako. Never would have imagined. Dahil sa 40,000 ko, alam niyo yan, makakabili ako ng ganito. It's a beautiful car. It's my dream car actually. No, sa mga pangarap nagkakatotoo dito. If you see this watch on the left, isa pa yung dream watch ko. A Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust. Grabe, alam niyo yun, sino ko mag-aakala that because of Usana, because of my Usana business, I am able to buy a watch that's worth more than a car. Kotse na yan, kaya di ko rin masyado sinusuot. Putulin yung kamay ko dyan. 'Di ba? Tapos ito yung mga watch collection. Actually, we also have a collection of Technomarine watches and I have this Longines watch. Okay, ang ganda. Tapos ito, this is my dream property which I was able to buy. Laki niya na beachside property. I fell in love with Romblon dun kasi nakatira si Fudge. Okay, so binili ko rin. Ang galing because of Usana. And all the events, lahat ng parties, wherein before hindi ko ma-attendan because I'm busy with work. Siguro nakaka-relate kami mga, alam mo yun, events na gusto mo sanang gawin, mga places that you wanted to be in. You to be at, kaso busy ka sa work. Sa akin, sa amin mga seaman, mas malala pa. Lahat ng birthdays, lahat ng graduation na miss namin. But really, what's amazing with you sana, alam nyo, is all the time, all the celebrations. Nakita mo tong picture na to, kahit birthday ng aso na attendan ko. It's because of this. And it's really amazing to spend time with your loved ones. Na before dati, sakit-sakit na ang puso ko pag may celebrations, tinitignan ko lang sa Facebook. Nung sabi ko, buti pa sila nagpapasko sa Pilipinas. Sabi ko, the best blessing that you sana gave me is time freedom. And finally spend time dito sa Pilipinas. And you know what's the best part? The success that your teammates get. Hindi lang ako naging successful dito. Ang dami actually na seaman na nakapag-retire. Alam nyo, ito lang, kung hindi maganda tong Usana, lahat kami nagsakaya na. Pero these cars, these were bought because of Usana money. They're my friends. Ito yung mga unang tao na niwala sa akin. Kung titignan nyo yung mouse ko, dito sa kanan, Chief Mate Venancio, may-ari niyan. Third Engineer Jonel Rosario. Second mate Crescente Polvorosa. Dito naman si electrician, no? So, sabay-sabay kami, ayan. These are products of the Usana business. Pero lang dito sa Pulang Kotse, nakisali lang sa amin yan, no? Pero ito yung club namin, yung Carsenals. Okay, nakakatuwa. When you see your teammates succeed, ang dami na dito under my organization na silver directors. They're basically not going on board the ship anymore. Ang daming kapitan dito, 5 ata ang kapitan na hindi na sumasakay because of Usana. And ang dami rin second mate and chief mates. Blessing sa amin to. No, na nakakabili kami. 'Di ba sa amin mga seaman kasi, for your information, 3 buwan lang kami sa Pilipinas, wala na kami yung pera. We're able to buy this after 1 year, 2 years of vacation na sa Pilipinas. 'Di ba? And ito yung mga kasama ko ng mga seaman. Ito pala, by the way, is second mate Alexander Ray. Yan, si third engineer Rosario, ito si chief mate Venancio. And of course, hindi lang ako ang successful dito. There are hundreds of gold directors. Sobrang daming ruby directors who are earning $500,000 just like me. Ang daming diamond directors. This is the whole of Extreme, actually. Ang dami natin. And all of these people you see here in the picture willing to help you out build your business. Ayan ang maganda dito sa grupo natin. It's all about teamwork. Okay? Tapos ito yung picture namin noon, 2011 when we started. Ginawan ko lang ng paraan. Ginawan lang namin ni Fudge ng paraan. Pero right now, this is us. Nakakatuwa. We're enjoying the success that Usana gave us. And we're enjoying our life here in the Philippines. Ngayon, nagsimula ang income ko, sabi ko nga hindi ito mayaman ka kagad, pero nagsimula ang income ko na 3,000 lang sa isang linggo, weekly. Pwede na rin sa 4 weeks, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Okay na din yun. Pero fast forward a couple of years, this is April 14, 2017. 6 digits na. kada linggo. Finally, sabi ko ito rin ang kikitain ko kung kapitan ako. Pero right now, we're actually earning it. Ang galing. It's a huge blessing dahil sa Usana. Ngayon, I know you're going to think about it, pero what I really suggest is you think of it as fast as you can. Alam niyo bakit right now, as I am telling this to you, I'm building actually a diamond leg. Okay, our emerald and diamond leg. Or maybe yung kausap mo ngayon who's showing you this video, I know he's decided to do this business and right now, most probably, kaya pinapanood niya sa ito, because he's building his business. So, ito yung business center namin. What I plan is sa akin sa diamond or sa emerald line ko, ilalagay kita. Ditong B na to, this is going to be you. What's really good about it is that we're still planning to talk to many more people. So maganda diyan, pag linagay ko sa iyo sa ilalim dito, kasi since meron, I'm sure I still have plenty of people to talk to and the person you're talking with right now, marami ding plano yung kausapin. Tanungin mo siya kung sino. Pero one good thing is, pwede ka naman mag-decide later, pero if you decide now, makakatulong kami kasi possible na malagyan ka namin ng tao sa ilalim mo. Diba? Lahat ng users nila, lahat ng business partners nila, lahat ng retailers, ng mga kausap niyan, at least pasok na sa'yo lahat. Now, if you decide now, this is going to be you. Alright? Pero if you decide later, ay okay lang din naman. Sabi nga, wala naman pilitan. Pero dito ka sa ilalim, sayang naman. Di ba? Especially yung kausap mo ngayon, the mere fact that you're watching this, most probably is really or she is really determined to do this business talaga. Okay? So, maganda dyan, if this is you sa B, sa left volume points mo na lang ikaw mag-ano. Kasi at least malalagyan ka ng tao. Di ba? So, advantage mo na yon. Okay, positioning is very important. If you can decide fast, kasi wala siyang difference. If you start now, or you start 3 weeks from now, ganun din yun. Ang mawawala lang talaga sa'yo, which is sayang, is nag-start ka, yes, in bottom line, you still started, pero nawala yung mga tao na sana ilalagay sa'yo. Sayang naman. Okay, so if you can start early, maganda that you can position yourself in a very early stage. Nakakatawa, I don't know if you know Donald Trump. He's a very rich guy. Okay, siya actually may-ari ng Miss Universe. Tinanong siya ni David Letterman, what would you do if you lost everything and had to start all over again from scratch? Sabi ni Donald Trump, without hesitation, I would find a good network marketing company and get to work. Sabi ng audience, boo! They're shouting and booing. Sabi ni Donald Trump, that's why I'm sitting up here and you're sitting out there. Alam niyo yun? There's a famous saying, sabi, if a man wants to lead the orchestra, he must turn his back from the crowd. Diba? So, ito ang sabi ni Bill Gates, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. Kasi alam nila napakaliit ng puhunan. It's really a legit business. It depends lang kung ano yung company na papasukan mo. My question to you is, are you ready to own your life? Take a chance to make a choice or your life will never change. It is in the moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. By Anthony Robbins, you're the master of your fate and you're the captain of your soul. Sabi ni Henley. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Sabi ni Mark Twain. So that's it. I hope I have inspired you. I hope I've shared to you my message. Alam nyo, ito lang. If you're not interested, that's okay. I'm glad you watched this video. We can always be friends. Kung napanood mo to, sabihin mo lang sa akin. You can text me or chat me or send me a private message. I hope you have inspired you. Pero ito lang, one thing's for sure. If you decide to do this, I'll be here to help you out. 100%. Hindi mo talaga malalaman yan hanggat hindi mo susubukan. Thank you for taking a look sa aming opportunity sa USANA Health Sciences. I hope that you can make a decision. It's either you use the products or if you're interested in business. I'm happy to share my thoughts and ideas with you. I'll see you next time. If you want to start, just tell me or tell the person who introduced you this opportunity. Sabihin mo lang sa kanya, I'm ready to start. It's either 1 business center lang naman or 3 business center. I'd like to ask you, pwede rin cash yan or credit card. Just tell the person beside you. All of these can be transacted online. Kailangan lang dyan name, birthday, address, email, tin mo. And we can get started. Remember, USANA is all about your health. It's all about your life. And it's all about your way. Thank you for taking this time with me. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.